Welcome back to MSKTV. Today's lesson, learn how to add mixed numbers and convert improper fractions, Visual Math for Kids, Series 27. This lesson is designed and structured for learners in grades 3 to 5, as well as beginners who are learning how to add mixed numbers in a simple and clear way. Hello again, dear parents, educators, young learners, and math lovers. Previously, in our last series 24, 25, and 26, we understood the basics of fractions, what they mean, how to find equivalent fractions, and how to add fractions with like and unlike denominators, and more. In this episode, we will learn how to add mixed numbers. Part 1. What is a mixed number? A mixed number is a number that combines a whole number and a fraction. We can add a whole number and a fraction. For example, 2 plus 1/2 equals 2.5. Written as a mixed number, it looks like this, 2 and 1/2. Here, 2 is the whole number, and 1/2 is the fraction. This is written as 2.5. We call it a mixed number. It means 2 whole units plus 1/2 of another unit. Similarly, 5 plus 3/4 equals 5 and 3/4. Written as a mixed number, it is called 5 and 3/4. This shows 5 whole units and 3/4 of another unit. We use mixed numbers when we have more than one whole thing, like 5.5 apples or 2.5 pears. Part 2. Add mixed numbers. There are 2 helpful ways to add mixed numbers. We'll start with the simplest method and use the other when needed. Method 1. Add wholes and fractions separately. Use this when the fractions have the same denominator or when their sum is less than 1. Example. Let's calculate this sum, 2 and 1/4 plus 3 and 1/2. Step 1. Add the whole numbers. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Step 2. Add the fractions. 1/4 plus 1/2 equals 3/4. Step 3. Combine the whole number sum and the fraction sum. So, 2 and 1/4 plus 3 and 1/2 equals 5 and 3/4. Method 2. Rewrite to improper fractions. First, use this when the fraction sum is greater than 1 or when you prefer one consistent method. Let's calculate the sum of the example above, 2 and 1/4 plus 3 and 1/2. Step 1. Convert to improper fractions. 2 and 1/4 equals 9/4. 3 and 1/2 equals 7/2. Step 2. Find a common denominator. The least common denominator of 4 and 2 is 4. So, 7/2 equals 14/4. Step 3. Add the fractions. Now we have 14/4 plus 9/4. Add the numerators. 14 plus 9 equals 23. Keep the denominator the same, so the sum is 23/4. Step 4. Convert back to a mixed number. 23/4 equals 20 plus 3/4. That means 20 divided by 4 equals 5, and we still have 3/4 left. So, the sum of 2 and 1/4 plus 3 and 1/2 equals 5 and 3/4. We notice that method 1 and method 2 both give the same sum. Remember, both ways give the same sum. The first way is faster when the fractions are easy. The second way is longer, but it works every time. Practice time, quick quiz. Now it's your turn. Which answer is correct? Question 1. 5 and 1/2 plus 4 and 2/3 equals what? Which mixed number shows the right sum? Choose the option that fits. Option A, B, C, or D. Option A, 9 and 1/4. Option B, 9 and 7/6. Option C, 9 and 1/6. Option D, 10 and 1/6. The correct answer is option D, 10 and 1/6. Question 2. What is the sum of 7 and 1/5 plus 5 and 2/3? Choose the option that fits. Option A, 12 and 8/15. Option B, 12 and 13/15. Option C, 13 and 2/15. Option D, 11 and 13/15. The correct answer is option B, 12 and 13/15. Homework time. Calculate these mixed number sums on your own and write down your answers. Question 1. 3 and 1/2 plus 7 and 1/3 equals what? Question 2. 5 and 1/5 plus 6 and 2/5 equals what? Question 3. 2 and 3/4 plus 4 and 1/2 equals what? Write each answer as a mixed number in simplest form. Great job! Your efforts truly deserve recognition. Keep practicing and join us in Series 28, only on MSKTV. We kindly invite you to subscribe, like, and share this video with your parents, teachers, and friends. Your support encourages us to keep creating fun and inspiring math lessons for learners everywhere.